Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set Asana board to public. So first things first, you have to go to Asana and locate that workspace that you want to set into public. So for example, this one right here, so make sure the project is in board view. You can switch views using the tabs at the top. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to the project name at the top of the border and then tap on select share or project settings. Here you have to look for privacy. So under project, you will see here options and basically you can set your setting right here. For example, if you want this to be visible to specific people only, or if you want to share this to specific people, you just have to add their email address. Once added, you will see their email address below, and basically, if you want to set this into public, you need to make sure that you have set this to project admin. In this way, they can edit, they can view, they can share this project in Asana like you. So all you have to do is to set this into project admin. In this way, you have set the Asana board into public. After that, selecting the public option, click confirm or save changes. Your board is now public to your chosen audience. If you want to share the board externally or outside Asana, you can copy the project link from the share menu. Make sure your organization allows external sharing, otherwise, only internal users can access it. So, making your Asana public can have a better collaboration, transparency, faster onboarding, accountability, and easier feedback. You don't have to make a board public to everyone in your company, just your team. This keeps sensitive projects private while still enabling collaboration when needed. And that's how easy it is to set Asana board to public. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.